Shelf of Satoshi puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check out all the rewards that this puzzle event has to offer right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so another puzzle event on Rollercoin has just started a few moments ago. Let's check it out. On my screen here you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and I was greeted with the Shelf of Satoshi puzzle event details. And at the time of recording this video there are still just shy of 3 days remaining for this puzzle event. Unlock the knowledge, new Libre Mine Miner, a book-filled powerhouse ready for merge. You can upgrade to Epic and reach 54.4 petahash and 18% bonus for peak efficiency. And in this puzzle event there is a total of 300 plus RLT in rewards. So progress through the event and claim your riches. Don't let this wisdom fade. Mine smarter and claim your rewards now. So let's get it, okay? So I've already completed a couple of tasks already in this progression event. So as you can see here, I've done 3 already. I've opened a total of 26 lucky cases, or maybe a few more than that, okay? So I've claimed 3 of those, and you can see the entire list of tasks here on the left. Okay, so starting from the top, the remaining ones I have to do are exchange 3 RLT, win 25 games, I'm almost there as well, merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 50 games, merge 270 parts, exchange 26 RLT, win 200 games, merge 360 parts, exchange 54 RLT, win 400 games, open 54 any lucky RLT cases and merge 450 parts. So you can see a lot of the emphasis is on merges for this puzzle event, but there are also quite a few game tasks as well. So if you win a total of 400 games, you'll be completing a few tasks there as well, about 4 tasks there as well, okay? So very important to try and complete as many as you can. You need a total of 14 tasks out of the total 16 completed to get to the very end of the progression bar here at the top. Obviously, if you want all of the rewards, including all of the random puzzle pieces in the puzzle as well, then you'll need to complete all 16. But if you complete just 14, you'll be able to get to the very end here, and you'll be able to get the Libre Mine Rare Edition, which cannot be sold, and this will give you a whopping 20.6 petahash in power, okay? If you manage to complete 10 tasks, you'll get the Libre Mine Uncommon version. Again, cannot be sold. These miners cannot be sold. That is very important. So 7.8 petahash for that one, okay? You can get the common version here as well. And if you get the common version, that's going to give you 3 petahash with a 3% bonus power, okay? So just to put things in perspective, you've got 2 of those there. You can merge them and get that to the uncommon version. Then you've got the uncommon version here if you complete 10 tasks as well. So if you get those 2, merge those into an uncommon, and then merge those 2 uncommons into a rare, and merge the other rare with the other rare that you'll get after completing 14 tasks. Then you'll get the epic, which we saw at the very beginning will give you 54.4 petahash with 18% miner bonus power. So that is a lot of power and a lot of bonus power as well. So really awesome. You can check out what details you need to do for the merge if you go to the merge section. And here, if you put in the miners section, the miner, so put in Libre Mine. And here we can see all the different parts you will need to get to the even Unreal version, but for now you can get to the epic version, okay? So the epic version will give you 54.4 petahash and 18% bonus. So if you upgrade from the rare, you'll go from 12% to 18%, okay? So getting the rare is already a good amount of power as well, but increase that even further by another 6% bonus power, and increase that even further by another 34 petahash, okay? And you'll be getting the epic version, but you do need 53 rare wires in order for you to be able to do this merge. So the merge itself will cost 17.2 RLT, and the 53 rare wires, if you don't already have the parts, okay, you need to check how much those will cost as well. So if you go to the marketplace, and you go to parts and you click on rare, and we'll see wires. So those rare wires are just 151 at the time of recording this video, okay? So if you need 53 of those, if you want to do it exactly, here it is. So 151 times 53, and you need 80 RLT, okay? So 80 RLT is the cost of the wires, okay? So just keep these little things in mind because they will make a difference. So you need the 80 RLT plus you need the 17, so it's going to cost you roughly 100 RLT, but you'll be getting 54 petahash and 18% bonus power, okay? So what I do recommend at the moment for you to be able to get more RLT, so you can spend that RLT maybe to buy these parts if you don't already have the parts, is to check out the Solana discount that is currently going on at the moment. At the time of recording this video, this discount has just shy of 2 days remaining, and it's a 25% discount. So when you're exchanging your Solana at the moment to RLT, there is a 25% discount, meaning you're going to get 25% more RLT for spending less of your crypto. So if I want to get 53 RLT, okay, and I'm going to go to Solana, I'm going to be spending 0.34 Solana, okay? Under normal circumstances, I'd be spending 0.46 Solana, okay? So obviously 0.34 Solana. You need to check the price of Solana as well. The price of Solana at the moment, I believe it's something over $120 or something in that region, okay? So here you can see that there is that discount right there and you'll be saving 25%, okay? So definitely be sure to try and make use of this discount, especially if you need to buy those parts, okay? You can also use your RST to just get the parts and merge them, okay? So open wires cases, the common case, obviously, and then merge them into uncommon and then merge those into rare, but sometimes that will cost even more than actually purchasing them right out as the rare wire version. So just a few tips and tricks there. Make sure to do the math correctly and plan ahead before you do anything, okay? So that is pretty much the puzzle event. You can see in the random pieces, there is the Cup of Wisdom as well at 600 terahash with 0.45% bonus power. Got some RST there as well, okay? You've got the roller house as well. You can do some mergers. I've already received one of the roller houses here. There was another one there. At the top here, I've already also received the real sugar. That's going to give you 26.5 terahash per second. Not that much power, okay, but it is there nonetheless, and if you don't already have it, that's an addition and it cannot be sold, okay? So these miners that cannot be sold, don't worry about it. I mean, you can actually merge those miners into more powerful miners, and you can even burn those miners when there are burning events as well and earn e-coins for the burning events, okay? So be sure to look out for burning events as well, because you can use those miners that you cannot sell and that you don't want to merge. You can just use those and burn them and get points, and with those points get even more powerful miners as well. So that is pretty much it in a nutshell for this Shelf of Satoshi puzzle event, and I wish you all the very best of luck at getting that epic Libra mine. Okay, so it's going to give you a lot of power. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button, hit that notification bell to be notified about new videos when they do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.